Hey everybody, Thrift Store Hacker back again, and a couple of videos ago I made a USB power pack that held four 18650s that you can swap out, and I needed another power pack for another project. I had a few of these lying around from the repairable 18650 e-bike pack, and instead of putting bars on the back of them like I did here, I'm going to use all the little tabs on them. I'm going to join them together. You get something like this. Those little tabs kind of interlock right there, so you can drop a bead of solder across it, and it'll look really nice. It'll make a nice connection. And on the other side that I've already done up, you can see I put a wire across and connected all of the negative leads going to a negative wire here. And we're going to hook it all up to the this USB circuit board that I have. It came with a kind of a do-it-yourself power pack, but the power pack side of it was damaged. I'm using the bottom of the power pack here to hold batteries, but it came in damaged and wasn't really useful. So we're going to go from here. I'm going to show you how I did this. After joining these two together and getting the little tabs to interlock on the top, I just put a couple little beads of super glue on it to keep them stuck together. And then soldering it together, I solder out. The tip on my soldering iron is still toast, but this isn't a small meticulous project, so I should be able to do it anyway. I got the wires all shortened up and ready to connect to the board right there. One thing I had to remember is the battery button right here to tell you the power in the battery is on this side, so gotta watch out not put that on upside down. So let's solder this on really quick. I got that all wired up. So you can see there's the negative lead going down to the bottom lines here and the positive lead going up to this top line here. I've cut some chunks of cardboard that'll space out in between here, and we're going to put them in between here and the battery so there isn't any risk of a short circuit. So with the cardboard in, you can see it's very well insulated. It's not going to have any problems with the wires under it. I'm going to do a little cutout for the top and figure out how to stack this all together. Well, it ain't pretty, but it'll do for now, until I figure out exactly how I want to set this up. I have a little power or battery check button right here. Everything up front, it's got a little flashlight on it. It's time to put some 18650 batteries in here. Yeah, look at that. There it is. Now I guess the next thing to do is go find would be to go find some casing or something for it, but I'm not sure of what I'm going to do with that yet. Trying to figure out how to turn this flashlight on. Ah, there we go. That's a pretty ideal flashlight on there too. So that'd be really cool. Like I'll put it in a box, probably put it in a wood box or something, make it look really nice. But that'd be a great little camping implement right there. We have the 18650 batteries in here. You go camping for a couple of days, these will charge your phone and your tablet up. Not that you should be using your phone or your tablet aside of taking pictures while you're out camping. But that came out pretty good. We'll probably revisit this when I find a proper case to put it in, make it look a little nicer. But it's very functional. It was really cheap to build. These battery holders are about $2-3 a piece. The pack that I got this off of, but you could just order these boards. These boards are probably $4 or $5 a piece. And then whatever you use for your 18650 battery costs. So, really cheap little project. will let you have power whenever you need it for whatever USB device. Now that we've got the batteries in it, let's give it a little quick test. Grab one of my old cell phones here and plug this in. That came right up. Looks like it's charging the battery on that. This also has a flashlight on it. So that's pretty handy to have. I can plug up to 4 devices in here. And then when I need to go charge it, let me unplug this, shut the light off. I go to charge it. There's a USB micro plug right here. I can just plug it right in. I kind of like this design. I might actually take this and put it, this is a lid for like an ice cream container, but I like this design. With the light up here, it makes a great little table lantern when you're camping. And the cool thing about it is you bring a couple of racks of 18650s, I doubt you're going to run out of light or charge power. I mean, I honestly don't think you're going to run out of light or charge power with the 8 that are on it. That's all I have for you today. Until next time, build stuff and have fun.